having clear skin is so important, especially around the holidays. So today in Ask the Derm, we have with us Dr. Billy Groff, and you've got some quick skin fixes to help us have holiday perfect skin.
Right. I mean, with Christmas is right around the corner, then we have New Year's Eve. So of course, you know, a lot of our patients are coming in when they look their best, but they don't want to look overdone. They just want small little tweaks, you know, to help their skin look real healthy and glow and look good.
Yeah, and you know, one thing I remember always happening to me as a teenager is you have that main event, and always, never fail, right before the big event is like you get this pimple. What can you do about that?
Well, you know, the holiday period is very stressful for a lot of people. They're rushing
Right.
around with shopping, the kids are out of school, and so there's a lot of stressors, and with stress comes acne. So if you get like an acne lesion or pimple that's really large, a lot of people don't know this, but we have this medication. I had brought it with me just to show, but it's called Kenalog. And if I inject this into the pimple, it'll be flat within 24 hours.
Wow, really?
Yeah, because if you have a big raised pimple, you can't really cover with makeup. You can still
Right.
see that kind of bump.
Right.
But this Kenalog, and it's a tiny, tiny needle we use. You can see it right here. It's like finer than a hair, actually.
Really fine.
Yeah, so
I don't
you can't
like
even
needles,
feel
but
it.
yeah, that's wow.
Yeah, it's amazing. The other way we can approach, I'll show you one more instrument that I use. This is called, if I can grab it here. This is called a lancet. So if a patient has an acne lesion that's really full of, you know, that white material, the pus basically,
right.
we use this and we just make a tiny little poke, and then I use these two, they're called CTAs, or cotton tipped applicators, and I press and it immediately flattens the lesion. It's usually healed within a day or so. So if you have a big pimple and you have something coming up, we can definitely help you out with that. Of course, your skin looks perfect. So
Well, I'm older now, so I don't get pimples, but what I do get, this is from not wearing sunscreen when I was younger, but you tend to get sunspots, brown spots, aging
for
spots.
sure.
What can you do about that?
And you're 100% right about that. One of the most aging things that can occur to the skin, besides wrinkles, is brown spots. Now, at our practice, we have about, I think we're up to like 55 different lasers, and probably at least 7 of those are dedicated to treating different kinds of brown spots. The thing that a lot of patients don't realize is that if we treat a brown spot, we can treat it with a laser that's got a 3mm beam and just tap it, and within a few days it flakes off as the skin naturally exfoliates. So there's no downtime. You can actually wear makeup the next day. So if you're looking forward to the parties coming up and you have a bunch of brown spots, and your skin, youthful skin, is nice and clear and doesn't have a
Right.
lot of brown spots.
Right.
You can do a treatment like that, and then you look great for your party.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
And then, of course, for you ladies out there, we're talking about Christmas, so there's kissing under the mistletoe. So
That's
you want to
right.
make those lips perfectly plump,
Yes.
kissable, right?
Well, there's a brand new filler out called Vollure, and I brought a syringe of it so you can see what it looks like. And interestingly, it's just a clear gel, right? So the product's composed of what's called hyaluronic acid, which is in our skin. It's a natural component of our skin, so there's really no risk of being allergic to it, which is great. But the other wonderful thing about this product is when it's injected into the lips, there's minimal swelling, meaning for party time that you can inject this and the next day look great. You don't have to worry about your lips being all swollen and looking odd. And it can yield a very natural result, not overdone. So, and then the other thing, if you're not into injectables, there's a brand new lip plumper out, which is a topical product. It's made by
Lucy and Co. Huh.
Yeah, Lucy and Company. They're based out of San Diego, actually, and it just came out, so it's great to support our local businesses. They actually give back to charity with every purchase of this, so I like that aspect. But as you can see, it's just a...
it's just clear.
Yeah, it's
right?
a clear, and you just wipe it on the lip. Now, you will feel a little bit of burning and stinging. That's the medication working. And then within 10 minutes, you'll see that your lips gain, you know, a nice amount of volume, a natural amount. Looks really good. And it usually lasts maybe an hour or 2 hours, so you have to reapply, obviously, if you want it to last throughout maybe a few-hour party, but still a great option.
But I'm assuming it's kind of like lip gloss, so you just put it right over your lipstick.
Exactly.
Lipstick. Right.
Yeah.
Awesome. Cool.
So you can apply this first, then you could apply your lipstick right over it, actually.
All right. Awesome. Great things. Great ideas for the holidays, so
Thank
we can
you.
look perfect. Thank you so much,
Yeah, it was
Dr.
great
Groff.
seeing you.